Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you master your money. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to track your net worth using Monarch Money. If you've ever wondered where your finances stand or how to keep tabs on your assets and liabilities, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's Monarch Money? It's an intuitive app designed to simplify personal finance management. Unlike basic budgeting tools, it offers real-time tracking of your net worth, which is essentially your total assets minus your debts. This gives you a clear snapshot of your financial health, helping you make smarter decisions. To get started, head over to the Monarch Money website and sign up for an account. It's quick and free to begin with. Once you're in, the next step is linking your financial accounts. Don't worry, it's secure. Just connect your bank accounts, investment portfolios, credit cards, and even loans. Monarch Money uses bank-level encryption to keep your data safe. Now, for the fun part, tracking your net worth. After linking, the app automatically pulls in your data and calculates your net worth on the dashboard. You'll see a neat overview with graphs and charts showing your assets like cash, stocks, and real estate, minus liabilities such as mortgages or credit card debt. You can customize views, set goals, and even track changes over time to see how your net worth grows. One tip for accuracy: make sure to update any manual entries, like property values, regularly. Also, review your linked accounts periodically to ensure everything syncs correctly. This way, you'll get the most precise picture of your finances. Tracking your net worth with Monarch Money isn't just about numbers, it's about gaining peace of mind and staying on top of your goals. If you're ready to take control, give it a try today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.